pakitaas yung flag ng blue. Ayan. Ilan kayo dyan? Ayan. And red, syempre. Palakpakan nyo naman yung red. Ayan.
Guys, pili kayo. Fall in line yung yellow, fall in line for the red, fall in line for the blue.
Alright. Follow by yellow team. Next, yellow team. Red team. Pasok. Dito sa harapan. Okay. Siyempre. Alright. Papalakpakan lang natin ha. For yellow team. Ay! Boss, parang ano. Parang tinablang ng yellow team. Okay? Yellow team! Wag lang talaga, boss. Upo ka na kaya. Una na kayo. Una na una. Alright. For blue team. Red team. Blue team. Red team. Blue team. Parang tayo, no? Mas maganda kung sasayaw na lang sila. Ayan. Balik, blue team. Ayan. Go, red team. Yung na po, papayagan ka lang. Parang lasing lang ah. Sasayaw, sasayawan. Ayan o. Oh. Ay, wala. Susuntukin mo na po sa... Parang susuntukin mo na. Ay, okay. Hey, alright. Palakpakan naman natin, guys. Palakpakan naman natin.
Ito pala yarap.
12 seconds later. 3:28 a.m.
Nag-usap-usap pa kayo? Pasa. Dahan-dahan lang ho, baka madulas ho kayo. Okay, ano na ho muna? Blue team. Sino na ho muna? Alright, muna ang team Blue team!
Meron tayong, di ba we do this
Yearly?
yearly? Hindi, kasi ang plan before dapat quarterly siya. But then again, we transition to yearly thing. So last year, yung mga last year is cluster 9 pa din. During the team building, di ba? Nakita niyo na nag-awarding kami. So hindi kayo cluster 9, wala kayo award. Kaya tatlong cluster yun. Kami tayo po So ngayon, to be fair, meron tayong individual award classified for administrative, PMs, tapos PAs, billing and collection. So pag tinawag yung admin assistant, so punta na lang kayo sa harapan. So to be fair, kasi si Icon is bago pa lang naman na napunta sa atin and yung ating awarding is for 2024 performance. So hindi mo na tutorial, sorry, kasama si Icon. So next year na lang kung nandito pa tayo. Okay. Sige. I'll start with the admin assistant. Please come forward. Admin. Admin.
AABNC.
Sige, admin lang.
Pahawak. Lahat pahawak.
Prince admin, Donna admin.
Akala ko ba AABNC? BNC, ganun ka rin mga. Dalawa pa ulit.
Okay, sasayon.
As kasi yung iba dual role. Okay, sige. So, magbabasa. For outstanding admin assistant, in recognition of your, ang haba, kayo na magpasa nito mamaya. So, our outstanding admin assistant for 2024, no other than Grand Mesa Donna! Yung Guys, so ito is hindi lang natin pinili based kasi sa malakas o hindi kasi tayo lagi napupuntahan kaya siya lang lagi yung merong exposures. So meron tong basis ha, meron tayong ginawang data based on your compliance, whatsoever, submissions, timely submissions. So we can present you, mag-i-email kami no result for everyone's visibility, bakit siya ang nanalo. Yung iba naman, as in 0.1 lang yung pagitan. May mga ganun. But then again, when we say outstanding, sino yung... So when we say outstanding, sino yung talagang from the word itself, umangat sa lahat, kahit 0.1 pa yan. Okay? But merong mga 0.1 lang halos magtali. So Donna, please come forward.
Sample! Hindi nyo na video. Ulit.
Picture. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, jump shot.
Dapat sa ball.
Ah, dito dapat.
Sa Donna, sinit.
Against all odds.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, 1, 2. Face ganda. Parang fierce.
Ay, puta ka, naputol. Game next is for billing and collection. O, kung AA ka at billing and collection still.
Coming from.
Ano ba ba yung Prince? Jem!
Si JM.
Yeah.
So, in recognition of your exceptional performance, accuracy, and dedication in managing the organization, billing and collection processes, this outstanding billing and collection officer is awarded to
Vincent. Wala mo naman yun.
billing. Ano nandyan? Ay, sinugit ako! Sorry. Hindi, si Prince kasi is admin. Bilingera ka, yun yung billing mo. Hindi, billing ko siya dati sa amin. Presented to Samantha Muna. Oy, bet mo? Sabi niya, siya pala Samantha ang yami.
Kaya pala pilit na pilit mo.
Wait, doon kayo ulit.
Init!
O, lapit na konti. Ito sa apoy. Nakita ako.
Dapat may award ka po, wala?
Sorry, sir.
Thank you. Next, please step forward, building engineers.
Panalo na to.
Joseph!
Tanda ko sa Oscar.
Building engineers.
Island.
Wala pa, di ba? Nakalbabot si Morris.
Guys, yung mga certificate yung iba, ibabalik mo for photo-ops lang yan ha. Kasi hindi ko naman pinanti certificate. Hanggang kay try lang yan eh. Tapos may mga hindi ako na-print na-print siya pero naiwan ko sa Parisian. May mga nag-tie kasi tayo. So actually dalawa, maghiraman na lang kayo. So in recognition of your exceptional skill, dedication, and professionalism in maintaining and enhancing the integrity, safety, and functionality of your building systems, this outstanding building engineer award goes to Then we have a tie. Arvin and
Kakilala ko sa dagat.
Norman.
Wala, di na mag-resign.
Huwag na mag-resign. Julius kasi galing siya ng Icon. Before, kakalipan niya lang sa atin.
Uy, lapit na kayo!
I-re-retract na yung resignation.
Hawakan niyo na lang ito. Naiwan ko sa ano. Asa na? Hindi naman ito makikita sa picture.
Bigyan niyo ng
Hawakan niyo lang ito dalawa. Mabalik niyo sa akin.
Tigisa na lang, ma'am. Bigyan mo na tigisa.
Hindi naman makikita sa picture eh.
Gitna ka, ma'am.
Yabang ni Norman, no? Yabang.
Wow.
Magre-resign.
Oh, yabang, oh. Very proud.
Dinir. Ano babalik niyo sa akin, ma'am? Balik. So, for property accountant, ay! Ito na yan!
Nice one, Marie Chris.
Wala, nakainom na ako.
Nasa likod ka naman. Subukan mo ibigay sa iba yan. Pupuritin mo.
Ay, gumaganon. Si John, grabe. Long, sumapa ng ugali ni John.
Grabe ka naman, ma'am.
Okay. Ay, paano na? Property accountants.
Please.
Marie Chris.
Dalawa lang pala sila.
Ay!
Marie Chris! Sino mas Marie Chris!
Sino mas
Go, bebe! Pinakapinirap na yung kan, no? Ay!
Talagang confidential talaga sila, no?
Natakot ako yung Marie Chris.
Baka itulak sa apoy si Jamel.
Sinasabi ni Jamel, tatanong pa ba?
Okay. So in recognition of your exceptional accuracy, Accurate ka ba? Sino ang naka 200% collection? Marie Chris! Next year, si Nina. Diba? Integrity and dedication in managing the financial affairs of your property with excellence and professionalism.
Marie Chris!
Wala ako nun.
Alam namin.
So, this outstanding property accountant award goes to
Marie Chris!
Marie Chris. Please step forward. Please step forward. So, this outstanding property accountant goes to Jamela.
Sold to the hotel, no?
Boys, i-congratulate mo naman, dadalawa na lang kayo. Congrats!
Hawakan mo sa tenga.
Hindi ka lang tinignan. Congrats!
Ito kayo.
Mangkit na kayo. Ayan.
Init kasi.
Ay, sorry.
Pili ko yan.
Oy, PA ko yan.
Hanggang May ka na
Talaga
lang.
yan. Sa akin ang original. 1, 2, 3. Dahil hindi pa na-deploy sa akin.
Thank you, John. Thank you, Ma.
Congrats, Jack! Picture ka ni Chris.
So, ito naman, labanan ng mga PMs. Outstanding property manager.
Ay, wala
Hindi,
na.
except si Ria, exempted pa si Ria, ha? Oy, forward na lahat ng PMs. Proud ka sa pagmumukha mo, humarap ka. Sunny, AJ, Jerry, Abby, Arnel, Oscar, si Robert. Hindi pa kasi kasama si Robert. Ay, exempted pala dalawa, Icon tsaka si MPO. Oy, game gitna na kayo. Picture na kayo sa apat. Ay, 5. Oy, picture muna kayong 5. Oscar! Oh! Ano ba ito? Ria! Robert, sama mo na kayo. Picture tayo natin.
Bigay ka pa ng bago.
Robert!
Okay, 1, 2. Usog kayo dito kasi may ano eh.
Para matanggal na yung dalawa.
Okay. Usog. 1,
3 months na.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Walang yun.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
3 months na siya.
Game! Oy, dito muna kayo. Except for Ria and Robert. So, syempre dito, outstanding, walang magtatay dito. Guys, again na, isisend namin lahat nung tawag dito, lahat ng mga submissions, compliance, and all. To be fair with Icon, nung time na nasama si Icon, actually yung ma-award is puro Civic Place and Icon, di ba? But then again, since this is 2024, we have to, muna si Icon. Okay. So, for the Outstanding Property Manager Award, in recognition of your exceptional leadership, dedication and excellence in property management, your proactive approach, commitment to service, and ability to manage operations with efficiency, this Outstanding Property Manager Award goes to
Mama B.
Abigail! Ano ba yan?
Oh.
Again?
1, 2, 3.
Mas pagnasalpa ka natin lahat.
Congrats, B! Okay, so individual, which is Hero Award at saka hindi, dalawa lang muna, Hero Award tsaka ano yun? Hindi ko kasi nadala eh. Hindi. The Reliable Award. The two awards, Hero and Reliable Awards, of course, goes to our no other than AJ Young for the Hero Award. And the Reliable Award goes to Oscar. Alam mo na, tawag dito, wala namang prank muna.
Ang layo na naman sa isa't isa. Closer. 1, 2, 3.
Ulit. Nakatayo, may nakatagilid.
Game!
Para ka beauty queen niya. Pinoy na present.
So for the site awardees, meron tayong Model Building Award, Administrative Excellence Award, Engineering Operations Award, and Highest Collection Efficiency Award. Okay? So for the Model Building Award, so yung criteria natin for this one is the Ops 8 audit, number 1, the country compliance, the permits, the financials, and of course the general administrative. So kasi last year, meron tayong naging audit, special audit requested from head office. So yung result ng audit ngayon, ang pinakamababang findings we consider this Model Building Award is no other than Gold Mansion! Kahit gaganin-ganyan kayo. Gold Mansion team!
Kasi ano?
Carlo.
Ano ba yan? Wait lang.
Okay. Congratulations, Gold Mansion! And then for the Administrative Excellence Award, so part of the audit also, the one with good filing management, country compliance, and general administrative goes to ang nagwagi sa ISO 2301 CBK!
Oh, hawak ka. Binja. Binja lang yan. Diretso mo lang.
Extra sa likod.
Tapos award. Okay. For the Engineering Operations Excellence Award,
Hindi ako
again, syempre, nabanggit ko na kanina, Gold Mansion. Pinakamataas for Cluster 9 na EOS audit. It's Gold Mansion.
Congrats! Congrats, Jer!
Arvin!
Okay lang tayo magsasanta mesa.
Tayo doon. Kaya may iba na siya. Kubaw na ngayon.
Ay, kubaw na.
Then, last one na site award, we have the Highest Collection Efficiency Award.
Oh, parang 200.
Oo nga,
Jasper, ha?
parang
Tandaan
dapat
mo
nanalo
next year,
200.
kailangan natin dito ka, ha, Jasper?
So, with 96 and with collection efficiency, 2024, yung legit tayo, hindi katulad ni Baron, 99, 100. We have 2301 CBK. Pero hindi nila na-meet yung target call F, 98 sila eh. Pero sila yung pinakamataas.
Ako na hawak. Wait lang.
Jasper, ha? Next year, ha?
Wait.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
Last award, of course, Breakthrough Achievement Award in recognition of your exceptional growth, unwavering dedication, and outstanding contributions. This Breakthrough Award goes to no other than our new
AJ.
portfolio director, Engineer Mark Luigi Rosario.
Tagay! Tagay! Tagay!
Main pa.
Speech! Speech!
Oh, speech ka. ah.
1, 2, 3.
Kuya pa. Speech. Thank you guys.
Boy, mag-speech ka.
Salamat. Salamat. Thank you po.
Baka walang kwenta ka niya.
Thank you.
Guys, so please bear in mind na this is cut-off ng 2024. So I'm sorry for Icon and MPO. So we'll have this awarding kung magkakasama-sama pa tayo by next year summer.
Kung walang Rico doon.
Yeah, kung walang rigo doon, kung walang mag-resign, kung hindi tayo mag-resign by next year. So I hope this inspires you to do best. Kasi we are aiming to have this regular awarding. You know naman, in entire JLL, wala namang ganito, di ba? Kasi this will become part of your portfolio, of your profile, personal portfolio. So again, for those awardees, thank you very much and keep up the good work.
May ano daw si Sunny.
Bye.
May speech, ma'am.
Mag-resign ka? Malaki na yung mga certificate nyo.
Good evening guys. So before the night ends, hindi pa lang the night ends kasi mag-inuman pa tayo.
Akin na yung mga pirma ko kaya bang.
Mamaya.
Ano yun, girl?
Ma'am!
Mamaya na. Oh, guys, may sasabihin si Sunny.
Ay, may plaki ako?
Oh!
Guys, so alam niyo naman na yung original Cluster 9,
Kaya pala na short sa mga.
Oh, yung mga Pecky dyan.
tayo, yung original, may madadagdag, may maalis, pero we hope na yung na-build natin relationship, mag-last long pa, tulungan tayo, and in honor of exceptional leadership, presented to Miss Annabel A. Ang, Portfolio Director, RPG Operations Lead, in deep gratitude of your bold leadership, sharp wit, and unrelenting guidance, you mentored us not through comfort, but through challenge, placing us where we needed to go and bringing us along as heroes. As we move forward on different paths, we carry with us the lessons, strength, and pride of having a part of your journey. With heartfelt appreciation, your team, AAA Cluster, March 2025.
Iyak na yan! Iyak na yan!
Ang ganda.
Oh, maganda ka
Ang
dyan.
ganda.
Wait, tayo ka
Hey
dyan.
guys, thank you. Yung mga mawawala sa cluster natin, hindi naman tayo fully mawawala. Again, sabi ko nga, let's maintain and retain whatever yung GC natin, yung not the official one, but the cluster 9 PM. We hope na sana, regardless, kahit matransfer tayo with other clusters or other leadership, let's stop comparing. Let's keep that in mind kasi iba-iba ang way of leading ng tao. So let's respect kung saan man tayo mapunta.